Hey viewers, this is Satya from GangBoard. Welcome back to learn something new and that enriches your standards. Today is special because you are going to learn an interesting topic that will give you a great career life. Are you curious about knowing what it is? Okay, let me give you a clue. Only with this technology, Google delivers best results for your search query. Can you guess now? If you know what it is, please comment and let your friends know. Can't guess accurately? No worries, I will let you know the concept behind it. Google uses the concept of data science to deliver such awesome search results, and today we will learn about concept in details. Want to know what is data science and how it influences your career life? Stay tuned and keep watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be posting more videos and the latest technologies that will get you a strong career. If you do not want to miss any of my videos, do press the bell icon. Okay, now quickly let me move into the concept. Before that, let me brief you on what all topics we will be dealing in this video so that you can understand the video easier. We will be learning about number 1, what is data science? Number 2, why should you switch to data science? Number 3, data science job roles. Number 4, data science engineers PayScale. Number 5, applications of data science. Let's start with knowing a little information about what is called data science.
Data science is the area of study which involves extracting insights from vast amounts of data by the use of various scientific methods, algorithms, and processes. It helps you to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. Data science is also an interdisciplinary field that allows you to extract knowledge from structured or unstructured data. Data science enables you to translate a business problem into a research project and then translate it back into a practical solution.
Got someone what is data science? Good. Keep the curiosity. We will go to know why this content is used.
As we all know, data is the oil for today's world. With the right tools, technologies, and algorithms, we can use data and convert it into a distinctive business advantage. Data science can help you to detect fraud using advanced machine learning algorithms. It enables you to take better and faster decisions. It helps you to recommend the right product to the right customer to enhance your business.
So now you are aware of what is data science and why it is used. Now let us check the job roles that are in line with data science engineer. The data science engineer can take up any of these positions.
Data scientist, data engineer, data analyst, statistician, data architect, data admin, business analyst, data analytics manager.
Do you know how much does a data engineer earn? They are getting around 7 lakhs. Want to be one among the high earning aspirants? Then start learning data science immediately with GangBoard. To know more on this course or session, please enroll yourself on our website. I will explain you in detail. Our website link is given on the description. Finally, let's look into the application of data science and end our video. The application of data science are vast. Here I have briefed some of the applications.
Google Search uses data science technology to search a specific result within a fraction of a second. Suggested friends on Facebook or suggested videos on YouTube, everything is done with the help of data science. Speech recognizes system like Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa runs on the technique of data science. EA Sports, Sony, Nintendo are using data science technology.
Hope you have understood the significance of data science. In the next video, I will meet with another awaited topic. See you soon. Bye.